Here I have Motorola Moto E6i, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do it, firstly you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down, like this, for about 1 second, and screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down at the same time. Slightly hold it for like 1 second or less, and that's how you can take this screenshot. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the folder screenshots, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit, delete your screenshots, or perform other actions like info or use as, or this auto correction. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.